Imagine a world where the most affordable iPad is no longer just a budget device. For years, Apple has kept its entry-level iPad in the shadows of the Pro and the Air. But something is shifting in Cupertino. As we sit here in 2026, the rumors aren't just whispers anymore, they are roars. We are standing on the edge of the biggest transition in the history of the base model iPad. The iPad 12th generation is coming, and it's not what you expect. If you've been thinking about buying an iPad lately, stop. Just stop for a second. Because the device Apple is about to drop might make every other tablet in their lineup look overpriced. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Today, we are diving deep into the leaked reality of the iPad 12. We're talking about a chip upgrade that defies logic, a screen that finally catches up to the modern era, and the one feature that changes everything: Apple Intelligence finally going budget. This is the full story of the iPad 12th General. Don't blink, because the Apple you knew is changing. To understand why the 12th Gen matters, we have to look at the mess Apple created in 2025. When the iPad 11 launched, it was fine. It had the A18 Bionic, it was reliable, but it felt like a relic. It was the only iPad left behind in the AI revolution. While the Pro and Air owners were playing with advanced Gen AI tools, the budget users were stuck in 2023. But Tim Cook knows that to stay dominant in the US education and entry-level markets, he can't leave the cheap iPad in the dust anymore. The 12th Gen is the bridge. It's the device that brings the future to the masses. Let's get into the guts of this machine. The biggest point of contention among leakers like Mark Gurman and Ming-Chi Kuo has been silicon. For the first time, Apple is considering skipping the usual 2-generation-old chip cycle. Why? Because of Apple Intelligence. You see, to run on-device AI models smoothly, you need a powerful neural engine and, more importantly, RAM. The iPad 11's 6 GB of RAM was a bottleneck. The leaks for the iPad 12 are pointing towards the A18 chip, the same one that powered the iPhone 16 series, or potentially a bin version of the A19. This isn't just a 10% speed boost. We are talking about a jump from 4 nanometers to 3 nanometers architecture. This means better battery life, less heat, and the ability to edit 4K video without the back of the tablet feeling like a stove burner. Imagine having iPad Pro power from 2 years ago in a $350 tablet. That is the disruption we are looking at. In the United States, future-proofing is the #1 concern for tech buyers. No one wants to buy a tablet that becomes a brick in 2 years. Apple has heard this loud and clear. The internal documents suggest the iPad 12 will finally move to 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. This is the golden ticket. 8 GB is the entry requirement for the full suite of Apple Intelligence features. This means the 12th Gen won't just be a web browser. It will be a personal assistant, an AI photo editor, and a multitasking machine. This one change alone makes the 11th Gen obsolete. If you buy the old model now, you are literally locking yourself out of the next 5 years of software innovation. Now, let's talk aesthetics. Apple is a master of recycling designs to save costs, and the 12th Gen will likely keep the flat-edge chassis we saw on the 10th and 11th